Hi everyone, this is Max from Deadware Websites, the channel where I create the tutorials for my subscriber and fix your issues and requests. So don't forget to subscribe and of course leave some donations in the description under this video. Okay, so let's find how to edit the navigation menu in Down theme. And basically it works for all themes in Shopify. It's not only for Down. So we have here header and here is some menu where it is. Here we have main menu, but where to edit it? First you can click on it and click edit. Other way, which probably is most common, you should log into the admin panel for your Shopify website, click on the content and there is menus. Click menus and right here you can see all your menus available for the website. You can create unlimited menus, but you need to assign your menu to your theme. So right now I have main menu, footer menu and customer account main menu, which are created by default by Down theme. So to edit this menu, you can click main menu and click add menu item. For example, about us, and paste some link or select from the drop down the page you want. For example, here I don't have page, but I can assign contact page as about us. Okay, I will delete it and click save after that. Okay. If you need to assign the menu to the theme, you can go to the menu in the header and click replace. After you click replace, you can select the menu which will appear. For example, I will select footer menu and it will appear footer menu. I click replace main menu and it will appear main menu. That's pretty all which you need to know about menus. Oh, another thing is drop downs. To create drop down, you should add some menu item, menu 1. Okay, I will put some link. Okay, and you should click on it and drag and drop under some parent menu item. Now you can add unlimited drop down menus. My number 2 doesn't work on my keyboard. Okay, click it, and click save. Let's go to our website and see how it works. Okay, now it doesn't work at all. I don't know why. Let's try to clear our cache. Right, it was cache. And now we have this icon for drop down. When we click it, we have drop down menu. So this is how you manage the drop down menu. Now you can delete it, edit it, or do everything you want for it. If you have some issues or questions, feel free to contact me by email or by comments area under this video. I will be happy to help you. If you find this video helpful, feel free to leave me some donations in the description area under this video. If you don't want to leave donations, you can buy something from affiliate links I left in the description under this video. Hope it was useful and have a nice day.